I think this is a great initiative because analytics to me means performance, and it has been even by Gartner it has been said that 73% change or for innovation, analytics is the number one thing because it will transform your entire organization into something which is a performing thing. You look at the data, you look at the performance. It's like organization is in running state. It's not static. And it is not static. I think we are a data analytics platform, and we compete along with all the platforms in the globe, and we provide the data analytics from your data pipeline, serverless architecture, from extracting the data from any type of data sources till cleaning it up, doing the predictive analytics about it, putting that on the visualization and on the mobility finally. So we are doing end-to-end stack. And I can say that we are a platform which is able to provide all the features together in one single install, which may be the highest number of features in the globe. Yeah, so as data is getting generated from very complex and different type of systems also, the technology is also very smooth. Like today I demonstrated how in 2 seconds, 3 seconds prediction can happen, and how as a data river, it's like a river, data is flowing and then you are able to predict the data, you are able to make your decisions, everything is a flow. And with strong technology and smart technology, everything is possible. And it's going to get into the data driven, whether you're smart cities, whether it is your health, how much I am consuming, what type of food I am eating, what type of health exercise things I am doing, how is my bank running, how is my financial health, how is the health of my kids, all of it together. It's just not going to run only for the organization, but for every individual family member as well. And that is what we are trying to do it through our cloud platform, slowly. I will say that India is more cautious. And second thing is India thinks that analytics is costly. That's why they wanted to avoid it. Third is lack of self-discipline. So I may not want to say that, but I feel that discipline factor is comparatively less. And fourth is we do not want to change. Analytics is transformation. So if people wanted to go into AI and ML life, they have to be disciplined. Else, most of the companies will start going towards losses or closure. Because before you head into artificial intelligence, you have to be disciplined about your data. So for me, start with basic discipline, capture the data in a right manner, use basic visualization tools to understand your data, then go into the machine learning. And once your machine learning algorithms are working fine, then you go into the deep learning. Else, it will be completely useless thing. I think companies need to come up with a little more budget for their analytics heads, because unless management, so they can calculate ROI. I think if you just put some money into it and you calculate ROI, your organization will go leaner. Your organization will go smarter. You will definitely get money out of your analytics missions. So I think first is to create a budget. Second is get into this real time, because once you start getting or trying to get into real time, don't try to solve all the problems together. Solve it one by one, because once that flow starts coming in, you will love it, because you will start getting the value out of it immediately, and that will help you to keep on funding that type of missions faster and faster. For example, even for banks, whatever we have been seeing in terms of basic analytics, whatever we have is, I think, 35 years. The competition has not given the analytics on my financial accounting as a small company. If they start giving, I think all the customers will move to them, because I want to see where I am spending, where I am earning, where is my FD going, what type of interest I am paying, all of it together. So I think analytics is, as I move around my life, I need to have that information. And that will make everything successful. I love it. It's an initiative by another, entrepreneur, and I love the effort and sincerity towards it. And it is not easy to bring so many great people together into a gathering in one day, where all of these people are so busy and time is the most costly factor. So it is great to be here, and I think that the entire team of Analytics India has been very cooperative in terms of putting it all together, and I wish all the best to them, and I'd like to participate more.